Now we will start our English grammar. This is your English grammar book, English Grammar Peninsula. Today we will read chapter 1, Alphabetical Order. Alphabets you have done already: A, B, C, D. Alphabet is a set of letters in which a language or a group of language is written, arranged in order fixed by custom. It is only definition. We will do by practically. As you already know, there are 26 letters in English language. A, B, C, D, E, F, T up to Z. There are 26 letters. A, B and C are the first three letters of English. Letter A, B, C are written in correct and set order. Means A, इसके बाद B, इसके बाद C. These are in orders. The letters when joined together properly make words, and all words in a dictionary are arranged in ABC order. This arrangement of words in a dictionary help to find their meaning. Whenever we want to find any word meaning, then we find in dictionary. We will check our first letter, like we want to know the meaning of night. So we will take out the page of N, starting N, and after that we will check NI, then night we will find. The alphabetical order tells the word starting with letter A should come first, and B, after B there will be C. Now check, now read the name of these pictures: cup, chess, cat, clown, coat, circle. All the above words start with letter C. If we will write these words in alphabetical order, we will check its first letter. See, all first letters are of C. Then what we will do, if all first letters are same, we will check its second letter. Now check its second letter. It's U, it's H, it's A, its second letter L, and its second letter is O. Now check according to A, B, C. Which letter come first? A, it is first na, then it will come first number. ए के बाद बी, चेक करो बी लेटर है इसमें? नहीं. सी, डी, ई, एफ, जी, एच. नाउ इट्स सेकेंड नंबर एच, आई, जे, के, एल. एल आ गया आपका. इट मीन्स इट विल कम एट थर्ड पोजिशन. एल के बाद चेक करो एम नहीं है, एन, ओ. इट्स ओ आ गया, तो आप इसको 4 नंबर पर लिखोगे. ओ के बाद it will be last, 5th position. Then how you will write these words in alphabetical order? First you will write cat. Now chess. After chess you will write clown. After clown you will write coat, and after that you will see cup. All the above words start with letter C. These words cannot be arranged in alphabetical order if we read the first letter with C, because all letter is C. Now we will check second letter. As I have already told you how you will check. These are its second letters, and according to A, B, C, written A, H, I, L, O, U, and I have already told you how you will write these letters in dictionary. Now we will do exercise. Write 4 names of your friends in alphabetical order. It means हम सबसे पहले A वाला वर्ड लिखेंगे. A से अमन, B से बीजू, C से चेतना, and D से दूरवी. You can write any name, but you will write that names according to their alphabetical order. Now exercise 2, write the spellings of these words in alphabetical order. Check Y, A, N. तो ए बी सी में सबसे पहले क्या आता है? ए. तो यू विल राइट ए, देन एन, एंड लास्ट में वाई. इट विल बिकम एनी. नाउ सेम आर ए टी, रैट. तो आर ए टी में ए सबसे पहले आता है, आप ए लिखोगे. उसके बाद ए बी सी में आर आता है, और फिर लास्ट में टी. तो ये बन गया आर्ट. नाउ सेम डैड, D A D. So you will write first A, then D, D. Inch, इंच में सबसे पहले आप ए नहीं है, बी नहीं है, सी, तो सी आ गया, सी के बाद एच, एच के बाद आई आता है और लास्ट में एन, इट विल बिकम चिन. नाउ यू विल डू 10 ant or these you will check according to their orders. Now this write these cities in alphabetical order. Now you will check there are 4 letters: Lucknow, Chennai, Meerut and Bhuj. Now check A letter, L, C, M and B. Now A is not there, then you will check which letter will come first. B. So we will write first Bhuj, देन बी के बाद आप सी का लेटर लिखोगे, सी के बाद डी नहीं है तो जो भी अल्फाबेट्स में जो लेटर पहले आ रहा है आप वो लिखोगे, लखनऊ, एंड इन लास्ट एम विल कम, देन मीरट यू विल राइट इन लास्ट. Write these vegetables in alphabetical order. Read these words: potato, peas, onion, cabbage, carrot, brinjal. Now you will check A, B, its first letter check. See, P, P, O, C, C, B. Now you will check C. सबसे पहले आप ब्रिंजल लिखोगे क्योंकि B आता है पहले, A है नहीं है तो आप B वाला लिखोगे. अब C वाला लिखोगे तो C वाले 2 लेटर हैं. Look, cabbage and carrot. Now you will check both are letter same, C and C. Now you will check its second letter A and its second letter A same. Now second letter also same. Now we will check its third letter. Its third letter is B and its third letter is R. So B will come first. Now you will write cabbage second number पर और carrot third number पर. Now according to alphabetical orders you will check all these. So try to these exercise in rough notebook and do chapter 1 in your book also.